Welcome back to We Are Austin. Keeping your home comfortable and efficient is what Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing does best. From installation to plumbing, they've got the know-how to help Central Texans stay cool or cozy and or clog-free year-round. And Sadie's going to help out.
Thank goodness. Derek, HVAC install manager, and Ben, plumbing service manager with Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing, are here with tips that all of us homeowners have to know, and I'm excited because I have some burning questions for you.
That's right. Good morning, y'all. Great to see you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thanks for bringing Sadie, your official ambassador. I know y'all are at handing these guys out at our backpack event. They were a huge hit, so thank you for doing that. So much fun to have y'all. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
This is an important conversation. I am a homeowner, and you know you never want any of these things to go wrong. So let's start with insulation. We're going to get into that time of the year where we might start noticing if we're doing okay in the insulation department. What should homeowners know?
Sure. So first, insulation is basically like a comfort barrier for your home. It works year-round. In the summer, it helps keep the cold air in the house, and in the winter, it helps keep the warm air in the house. It helps with comfort as well. It can help with humidity control.
Oh, yeah.
So it definitely can save money on your power bills and your efficiency as well.
That's what we're looking for. And how does someone know if they do not have enough installation in their home?
What will they notice?
Great question. The first thing is if you notice that you have like areas of the house that are warmer or colder depending on the season, that could be a sign that you don't have enough insulation. Drafty areas in the house, you walk past the window, even though that's not attic insulation, it's an insulation for the house. So you're letting cold air in or cold air out. The other thing that you can do is,
Can I keep an eye on those spots or keep an eye on those cool spots? That's how.
Yeah, keep an eye on that, and then of course, call us. We can come out and do a rejuvenation and check the system and be able to pinpoint whether you have a system sizing issue or an insulation issue.
It could be either of those things for sure. Ben, we're going to switch gears now to plumbing, my worst nemesis as a homeowner for sure. There are so many things that can go wrong. Clogs are a big deal, and it's something that everybody deals with. Tell us a little bit more about what we can expect, the levels of severity that it could come to, and what homeowners might be able to actually try before they have to call a professional.
Absolutely. Trying stuff before really helps. You can do like a vinegar and baking soda flush.
Nice.
That'll help out, especially in like kitchens or inside of your bathrooms. Those help out. Homeowners can do a multitude of things as far as like little plungers, things like that. Do not put any chemicals down there, though.
Good to know. Okay.
It winds up doing more damage than anything.
That's good advice, because a lot of people might just reach for that thing off the shelf to pour down their drain, and we're not recommending that.
You got a bottled up plumber, but it's not really it.
That's why you guys exist.
Yes, thank goodness. And then hydrojetting, this sounds extremely intense. What is it? What should homeowners know about hydrojetting?
So, we have that $80 drain special. We come out, we run a cable. That cable goes through, and actually got a little
that's
right
perfect.
Here. So this here, you guys can kind of see through here. That cable would just poke like a hole through your clog that's going on. What we really want, this stuff will all start falling on itself again.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
This is what you want.
Okay.
You want the pipe to wind up being clear.
Yeah.
Once it's cleared out, that's what the hydrojetting does. So it's really a refresh for your pipes, not just a Band-Aid of running a cable through there.
Oh, that's great to know. Now, is that like every plumbing? Is that every part of your plumbing, like your whole house plumbing? I don't know what my house looks like underneath, but does this go through every pipe in your house that drains water?
Absolutely.
Wow.
You can go through every one of them. Most of the time, you see really dense stuff at your kitchen or in like a bathroom where your AC is tying into.
Yeah, that's good to know. So this is for bigger issues. If we've tried maybe some of the plunging or maybe a snake, this is when we call in the professionals.
Yeah, this is when you start smelling weird smells in the house. This is when you start hearing gurgles. This is things that are big. If you've tried having it cabled multiple times, now we're getting the big guns out and we're getting the hydrojetter in.
And I love the name. Hydrojetting is going to take care of all of it.
Absolutely.
It sounds serious for sure.
It does.
This is the time of year when we really need to start paying attention to these things. If you haven't maybe had your systems taken care of before they kick on for the first time, do you guys recommend people are really kind of looking at that stuff this time of year?
Absolutely. I definitely recommend people having us come out, do a rejuvenation. We've got plumbing rejuvenations and we've got our HVAC rejuvenations. So
That's great to know.
we can go through, check the systems for you, make sure everything's working properly.
Check them off the box
Check
before
'em off the
the
box.
freezes come, before the cold weather comes. Now is the time to do it. You will not regret it. Thank you for being here. We
Yes.
appreciate that. And for Goettl keeps Austin homes running right because they do it right. They do it the Goettl way, not the easy way. And the Hydrojet sounds like a great example
It
of that.
sure does.
The Goettl way.
And
Thanks,
you might even
y'all.
get one of these
That's
flashlights.
right.
And
one
look
of
at
these for
the
your
shoes.
kiddos.
Come on, that's branding. Yep, good stuff. Thank
Spotlight
y'all
on the
so much for
shoes.
being here. We
Sadie
really
says goodbye. Goettl, y'all, thanks for being here. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. We'll be right back.